Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make hard candy homemade step by step. Start by sanitizing your workspace and lining molds while you measure ingredients precisely, because timing matters with hot sugar. Heat sugar, corn syrup, and water slowly while stirring until dissolved, then stop stirring as mixture reaches boil. Attach a candy thermometer and watch for the hard crack stage before adding flavors and colors. Mastering heat control will make or break your hard candy outcome. Begin on medium heat and maintain a steady boil without stirring once it reaches temperature, which keeps crystals from forming. Use a candy thermometer for accuracy and watch the syrup closely as it approaches 300 degrees F because it changes quickly. When it hits the hard crack stage, remove from heat, wait briefly, then add flavor and color and pour into molds. Shaping and finishing require speed and confidence once syrup is ready. Work on a heat-proof surface, wear gloves, and pour into molds without trapping air bubbles. Let candies cool fully at room temperature, then remove and wrap individually to preserve texture. If you prefer freeform pieces, pull or score the candy while warm to shape it, and always store in airtight containers away from moisture for best results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.